Hey girls, okay, quite honestly, earlier in the day, I was really upset. That is because something happened. So, I'm gonna tell you girls this. I know the people involved will be able to see this as well. But for that, I hope you guys understand because you did not approach me to hear my side. 'Di ba? So, this all rooted out because of a Facebook status. The conversation in that status. This first person, kasi dalawa sila, this first person was annoyed sa akin dahil daw hindi ako nagbibigay ng concrete plans about the Enchanted Kingdom trip, and nagkukuripot daw ako, stuff like that. There's a lot of issue that she's saying, and my mind is too closed right now, or at that moment, to understand everything, to absorb everything. I may be an open-minded person, but when I am in that verge na you're attacking me indirectly, my brain just closes down. It shuts down. It doesn't accept any information whatsoever. And there's this other person naman na sinasabi niya, wala daw akong pagkukusa sa pagpaplano and stuff like that. So, I'm gonna address both in this part. Dun sa nagsasabing kuripot ako, hindi ko siya ililibre sa Enchanted Kingdom, stuff like that. The Enchanted Kingdom trip is originally kanya-kanyang bayad. It's not my plan. It was proposed to me. I said yes, of course. Who wouldn't like to go to Enchanted Kingdom with your friends? But, hindi ko sinabi manlilibre ako sa Enchanted Kingdom. And I'm also saving up for my studio. I hope you understand. I'm not being very defensive right now. I'm not going to pick a fight with you. But please do understand. Because I am saving up money for my studio. And my mom is not going to fund my studio. She's not gonna give me any money to build my studio. She is only giving me the space, but not the funds. So, I really need to save up. Kung iniisip mong nagkukuripot ako about the Enchanted Kingdom trip, dahil hindi naman sinabing libre ko yun. Ang libre ko, inuman. That was the plan. So, and I told you to talk to that person, to our other friend, because siya yung nagplano. Siya yung nag-propose sa akin ng plano. Hindi ako yun. Okay? So, I hope it is clear. I hope makita mo naman yung side ko. Kasi if you're upset with me, you should have talked to me. Not put it on Facebook. I'm not upset because you did that. I'm upset because you did not approach me. Madali akong kausap. I am very easy to talk to. And actually, I'm on the verge of crying right now. Kasi nga, madali akong kausap eh. Ayoko nang ganun. I don't like those things. Seriously. Hindi ako dense. Hindi rin ako super sensitive. Balance lang ako. Kung may sasabihin ka sa akin na nasasaktan ka, naiinis ka, nagagalit ka, tell me. Kasi, ako rin yung nasasaktan eh. So, naman naiyak ako. Kasi, I don't want these things. I don't like it. Anyone who does this, anyone who experiences this doesn't like it. I don't like it one bit. Actually, kanina pa ako umiiyak before I went to bed earlier. Kasi parang, you're indirectly insulting me, indirectly hurting me. Sabihin mo sa Facebook, galit ka, nakikita ko eh. If you're upset with me, if you're annoyed with me, tell me. Hindi yung makikita ko siya. Alam mo yun. I don't know. Like, dun sa taong yun, sa'yo, I know you're watching this. Sana maintindihan mo rin yung side ko. Hindi ko plano yun. Kung upset ka sa akin, sabihin mo sa akin. Hindi yung makikita ko. Madali akong kausap. Ang dali-dali kong kausap. If you say you don't like me, then fine. Hindi kita mapipilit. Pero please understand my situation as well. Ito pa. This is the other one. Yung other person naman na na-upset din sa akin kasi nga daw nagkukuripot din ako. And I'm not willing to spend for my party. Technically, you planned the party. I was proposing things to you. Diba? I was joking when I said the budget for I'm going to fund out 500. I was joking. Can you take a joke? Dun sa isa, that's why I cried, is because hindi mo ako in-approach. Itong isa naman, hindi rin ako in-approach. Ano to? High school. I'm not angry right now. I'm actually quite okay na. Pero na-upset ako eh. Parang, naturingang magkakilala. Matagal na tayo magkakilala and then you're doing that. It's like you're hiding stuff from me. Alam mo yun? Kasi ako, when I'm upset, I don't tell my friends when I'm upset. I rarely say I'm upset. Kasi you're going to see when I'm upset. You're going to see that. And, dun sa mga na-upset ko, I'm sorry. I don't know why I upset you, but I'm sorry. I may not be the most sensitive person on earth. I may be the densest person you know. Kung yun ang tingin mo, I cannot blame you. Diba? But please to understand my situation as well. Hindi ako mayaman. The reality of it is, I'm not rich, guys. I have a job, but I'm supporting a family. And I'm supporting my family. I'm not supporting my own lifestyle, na malaki yung sweldo ko, shopping ako, ganyan. I'm not doing that to show off. Sana you guys understand. Ang hirap kasi, ang hirap na, dito sa vlog ko, I'm going to be as real as I can. I'm not gonna show off na mayaman ako. I'm not gonna show off I have a lot of money. Because I don't. I do not have a lot of money. I'm just like everyone else. I'm just blessed with having great people with me. I'm blessed to have a job. I'm blessed to have everything. Okay. I'm going to tell you guys something. And this is very personal. Kasi alam ko naman, friends ko naman kayo eh. But every time on my birthday or before my birthday, I cry. Because I miss my dad. Ever since my dad left, I cry. I miss my dad so much. I haven't cried this much as far as I remember. Siguro nagpatong-patong na yung emotions ko. Nagpatong-patong na siya. Kasi nga, my friends are upset with me. And then, I miss my dad. And then, I'm resigning from my job. I have a lot of problems. Hindi ako perfect. I hope my friends if ever my friends see this vlog, don't think that you're the reason why I'm crying. I'm blaming you. I'm upset with you. Because I know you're upset with me. Oh, meaning ko, I'm upset with you earlier, but hindi ako hindi ko gusto na maging upset sa ibang tao. Tapos, hindi ko, alam mo yun, patong-patong. Naiinis na nga ako, umiiyak ako ngayon eh. Naiinis ako na I'm crying. This is like the first time I've cried in a long time. Quite honestly, this is the first time again I've cried in a long time because of too many things in my life going on. Alam mo yun, parang I may look happy and jolly and perky all the time para akong naka-ecstasy. But quite honestly, I'm just hiding all the sadness. Maya magbe-birthday ako, umiiyak ako. Oh my god, my god, my god. I hope you guys understand I'm being this emotional. Alam mo yun, yung parang pag emotional, pag ang dami problema, if you have a lot of problems, sometimes it just gets the better of you. Because I cannot help it. I cannot help it. Like, crying, always crying. Okay. Ang hirap. Ang hirap tumigil ng luha. Ang hirap ipigilin siya. I actually locked the door in my room because I don't want my niece and my nephew to see me crying. Because they will ask me, Tita, bakit ka umiyak? Tita, bakit? They don't want to see me cry. Nakita man to ng friends ko. I hope you don't think that I'm upset with you. Maybe I'm upset with what you did, but not with you. Because you're only human. We are all human. Siguro kaya din ako ganito kasi miss na miss ko na talaga papa ko. I've been hurting for so long because he was taken away from me very early. Magbo-birthday ako, magto-24 ako, my dad is not with me. Alam mo, minsan pag nakakarinig ako ng mga story na, when I hear stories about my friends and their dads, like, you know, my dad is too strict to me, my dad is like this, my dad is like that. Especially pag mga bata, yung pag nakita ko ng mga batang dala-dala ng daddy nila, naiingit ako because I was that kid before. I can see myself with her dad. Like, my dad and me were close. Hindi kami yung uber close. We're not like buddy-buddies, but we get along fine. We do get into arguments, but you know, after that, after the end of the day, aasarin ko lang siya. Okay na kami. You know, Papa, I know you're there, somewhere out there. I miss you so much, Pa. If ever someone I know very close to me sees this, God, this is so embarrassing. Especially if my brothers and my sisters see this. I hope you'd understand why I'm crying and why I'm sad because it's my birthday and my papa is not with us. I had a lot of plans before he went away. Hindi kasi ako verbal sa dad ko. Hindi ako verbal sa plano ko sa dad ko. I'm just like, go with the flow, gano'n. Sorry, I'm like this. Stuffed nose, walang tissue. Ayun nga, parang, nalala ko nun, I just turned 18. And I was like, yes! 18 na ako. Nakalagpas ako dun sa phase na naabutan niya yung 18th birthday ko. And then, yun na. I was turning, he was taken away from me. I was 20. I had a lot of plans. Like, alam mo yung, kasi I saw him take care of my nephew and my niece. He's a very hands-on grandfather. And I was like, oh, maybe when I have my own babies, my dad will also be very doting to them. He would buy them gifts, like, kasi dad ko doting dad talaga siya. Lalo na sa akin. Like, whenever I would request something from him, like yung maliliit lang, mga poster, or when I'm gonna ask him, Pa, bili mo naman ako DVD ni Britney Spears, or bili mo naman ako nito, he would buy it for me if he can. That's how doting my dad is. Alam mo yun? Parang, I was planning a lot of things in life with him, na pag kinasal ako, siya maghahatid. Pag nagka-baby ako, siya yung unang magbubuhat ng baby ko. Kasi nga, first baby ko. First time maging lolo ng papa ko sa akin. But he won't be able to do that. I don't blame God that he was taken away. I blame my dad because he didn't take care of himself. Alam mo yun, he died due to complications to diabetes. That's why I'm scared. I'm scared of my own health as well. Kasi there can be a chance I can have diabetes and I don't want to have that. I don't want to have diabetes. I don't want to die young. I want to live long. I want to live till I'm 102. Diba? I'm gonna stop crying now. Ang haba na ng exposure ng pag-iyak ko. Ano ba yan? Magumagana yung mata ko. Ah, goodness gracious. I'm gonna stop crying right now. I'm gonna prepare to get a haircut. Pag depressed ka, magpa-haircut ka. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you girls in a while.